At Canyon High School in Anaheim Hills, California, there is only one thing the baseball team knows, and that is winning. Don't believe me? Look no further than their current streak of 25 consecutive years in the playoffs. The last time the Canyon Comanches missed the CIF baseball playoffs, Ronald Reagan was president and LA still had a football team. That was 1988. 25 years later, one thing has remained the same in Southern California, and that's the Comanches qualifying for the postseason.
It gives you a sense of pride, not only in your school but in your community. Being a part of this community and being a part of the school, I think it's a real honor to carry that tradition. Players come into our program expecting to play for championships, play for league championships, so I think that is our mindset every year, and I think that's our players' mindset when they walk on campus.
Through the years, the Comanches have had the likes of Angels player Grant Green and Indians pitcher Vinny Pastano come through their ranks. But not every team has had a superstar. The one thing they did have, however, was the influence and the pressure of the streak.
Just deal with pressure all year long, Orange County, it's a competitive area for baseball, and we just play our hardest and we get it done.
I'd say our goal all season was really just to go out, play as hard as we could, and so I don't really think that there was too much pressure involved. I think we just kind of were doing our job and doing what we were supposed to do all year.
Come May of every year, one thing is for certain in the CIF Division I baseball playoffs. Canyon will be there. And there's 25 years worth of proof to back that up. Reporting from Anaheim Hills, California, I'm Justin Gillerman, Chapman News.